considering a long trade here. Market just opened up. It's 6:50 a.m. Pacific time. The open is 37.75. Cyclical support. It's going to print once these cross here and here. And I had a trade early this morning. Stupid, I got out. I mean, it would have been a great trade. 3/4 of a point though. It's the trade in the two lots, so it's 1.5 cumulative points. Overnight high is 43. That value area low from yesterday is also 43. You can see that right here, 43.50 actually. So hit that to the tick. 42, 41, 25. Cumulative delta's coming off pretty hard, so there's a lot of people trying to sell this up here. So if price doesn't really get, the bears can't really get anything for that, this is really going to help out with the long. If I can just time the prop perfectly, that would be awesome. So, just got long at 40.75. Had a little bit of a flip in cumulative delta and delta momentum as well. Had some institutional activity, both sides, sells and buys, but a little bit more weighted to the buy side. Got these amateur bars here in yellow, and these pro bars here in blue. So it's a good setup when you see, pullbacks like this in amateur activity and pro activity. Usually amateurs trying to think we're going to sell it down more, and the pros step in and they fade that and then catch the amateurs, which is based off of average trade side. Here's another pro bar. Now the fact that it's an up bar concerns me. Could be pros. Could be limit orders getting hit on the sell side. So, but other context is contradicting that. So I'm hoping that these are in fact pros taking up long positions. Okay, it looks like that might be what it is. Target set at 42.75. This is what I'm talking about in cumulative delta. Look at how far they sold it off. Price didn't really react to that. Then we got a flip in cumulative delta to the upside down here. You can see that. This is supporting this move here. Inside yesterday's range. Holding above the open. So, so far so good. Just took two on that, 2 ticks. Reason being is, when we came off of this area here, 40, 50, should have attracted some more buyers, in my opinion, for me to be comfortable in this trade. The fact that it didn't, with that pop in cumulative delta that I was looking at, tells me that there wasn't enough buyers to continue taking this. Oh, look at, man, perfect. I tell you, it's all a continual continuous learning process, but I'm thinking that there's a huge fight going on right here, and at this point, I'm not comfortable being in a trade. Just got a bearish divergence right here. Couldn't get much volume above the zero line here on the momentum, and no lift really off of the cyclical support. And then we're going to get cyclical resistance to print. So the fact that I just probably saved myself what would ultimately ended up being a losing trade makes me happy. Pretty sure we're going lower. See if it just clears this level. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Excellent read on order flow. I had a trade earlier this morning for 3/4 of a point. That was a 2 lot. Stupid I got out early. Would have been a nice trade. At any rate, that's it.